C4 ko. So mga kules, to all my subscribers and my new subscribers, my future subscribers, thank you very much. And to my Thai subscribers, kapun maka. So before I continue the vlog about my travel trips in Comac and Kokod, let me break it up. Let me take you to different plant nurseries in Thailand. Ito po para sa mga plantitos and plantitas dyan sa Pilipinas. So, tara let's! Hello mga kakules! I'm Teacher Chris. I've been living and teaching in Thailand for 16 years. Tumu Mindoro, lahing Mangyan. Welcome to my channel!
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So this is a vlog requested by my friend Tristan that lives in Quezon City. Sabi niya, itur ko daw kayo sa mga plant nurseries dito sa Bangkok. Tama po. So, welcome! And don't forget mga kulas if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. So, let's find out the different prices of these different plants. Kasi po, sa Thailand, ano na rin sila, sikat na rin yung pagiging plantito at plantita. So guys, please help me out. If you know this plant, please comment down below. So eto po, dito sa Bangkok, it's 35 baht. Eto, I don't know what plant is this. And this one is really cute. This one is 280 baht. Para siyang bonsai, but I don't know what kind of bonsai. This one is 400 baht. And of course, the famous one, na I'm sure a lot of Filipinos know this. I think this one is Chinese evergreen, 280 baht. Ayan. And, oh wow. The red one, this, oh wow, more expensive because of the color. This is 500 baht. Very nice. So mga kakules, this one is, if I'm not mistaken, it is Monstera. This is 2,500 baht. But this one is a big one. The owner said they have a smaller version of that, which is only 600 baht. And this one, guys, this is Peace Lily. Very pretty plant, 450 baht. So I have no idea how much are the plants in the Philippines. So guys, please comment down below. So this one mga kakules, it has also very pretty leaves. This is 350 baht. I don't know the name. And this one, really nice, kind of unique color, 300 baht. It can be also expensive if you are a certified plantitos, right honey? And this one guys, mga kakules, this is 150 baht. I also don't know the name of this plant. So please comment down below. I am looking for some unique plants. Oh, this one, 280 baht. Oh wow! This one is 180 baht. It is very unique. Oh wow! This is so cool. Really nice mga kakules. And this one mga kakules, I think this one, if I am not mistaken, this is a spider plant. Please correct me again if I'm wrong. This is 100 baht. And I got one here that is also cool. Ooh, quite pricey. 300 baht. Please comment down below the name of the plant, mga kakules. This one is Staghorn Fern plant, 80 baht. Look at this. This, oh wow, 300 baht for this. 300 baht each. Please comment guys kung anong pangalan ng plant na ito. And look how cool this one is. It's 140 baht. This plant. And wow! Wow! So unique. 280 baht. Ayan po, I'm not making the prices up because you can see guys, there are prices right here. There. So this one is 80 baht. They're so pretty. They are so cute. And this one, oh wow, 280 baht. 280 baht. So, mga kakulas, my husband actually think this is more expensive shop than the old one that we used to go to. So, we are going to try that. So, at least you have an idea of different prices of plants here in Bangkok. Maybe the reason why it's more expensive because of the location. Because this one is right at Sukhumvit Road, Sukhumvit 71. So, tara mga kules, let's try another plant nurseries. So mga kules, we are at a different shop. Elephant ear, yes, I'm excited. Elephant ear plant. This one is 1,500 baht. So, this one mga kakules, 800 baht. It looks like rubber leaf, shiny and thick. And this, mga kakules, very nice looking plant. It's properly trimmed. This is only 500 baht. I think it's quite cheap. And it's very good looking plant. And the most expensive so far, I don't know the name of this plant, but it's unique looking plant and it's tall. This is 10,000 baht. Please comment down below mga kakules if you know the name of this plant. In Thai, this is Sai-Bai-Sat. So, in English, I don't know the name. I haven't done a research. Yeah, but it's very cool looking plant. Ani mi dokmai pa? Mi dokmai pa? Oh. So I just asked the owner if this plant bears flowers and she said no. So mga kules, follow me and we're gonna look for more plants for plantitos and plantitas in the Philippines. So anyway guys, this is 1,000 baht only. It's also very cool looking plant. Very pretty in my opinion. So please comment down below if you know the name of this plant, mga kules. And we bought this for only 500 baht. We're gonna put this in front of our main door. So if you know the name of the plant, again, please comment down below. So mga kakules, this is very pretty. I'm falling in love with this plant. Please comment down below kung anong pangalan nito. It looks like a family of a snake plant, but I'm not sure. But it's only, the good thing about it, it's only 200 baht. 200 baht. Oh, look how pretty. Yes, and I'm buying this, mga kakules. This one, mga kakules, is another gem found. This is very pretty, but it's a little bit more expensive, 400 baht. Because the owner said it's it's rare to find. So please comment down below if you know the name. 400 baht. And this, it's a family of palm trees or palm plants. And this is the coolest part. Look at that. And it's
woody.
Yeah, and it's 3,500 baht, this plant. And another unique plant, mga kakules, Again, I don't know the name of this plant. And this is 4,000 baht. So this one, it looks like a snake plant, maybe a family of snake plants. This is 700 baht. But this one, the more common one, right here, it's 400 baht. We have this at home. Look, mga kakules.
That's beautiful.
It's only 300 baht. พี่อันนี้ข้างนอกข้างในนะคะ
อันนี้ได้แค่ลำในจะดีก
อ๋
ว่า
อ
ใช่คือถ้าแดดจัดเลยบางที
ข้างในดีกว่า
ครึ่งวันอ่ะ
ครึ่งวันอ๋อ
ถ้าข้างในเลยสีก็จะไม่ค่อยสวย
อ๋อ
คือสีไม่ชมพูจ๋าแบบนี้
Oh, so the owner said this is indoor plants, but you have to take it outside like half day every day, half sun and then half indoor. Because if not, if you just put it inside, the color will not be like this. Please comment down below the name of this plant. Please, this is so pretty. Wow, unique looking plant. So that's it mga kules. I hope you enjoyed this Plantitas vlog. So please don't forget to hit like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel please, and share. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So that's it mga kules. Until next time.